Good morning. Just like it said, I've spent $16,000 so far on this house, guys. $16,000. We're getting right into it. I'm going to show the old viewers and definitely the new viewers what $16,000 gets you. But we are already at 80% of this build, man. It's almost time for move-in. But the reason why I'm standing by the turkeys over here is because, and my trusty goat right here, if you look right here, we are actually doing a doggone chicken coop. So it's getting ready. So I wanted to show y'all guys that part first. That's not in the build. So with no further ado, last we left off, guys, we was doing the gutters. I'm gonna take you from the gutters to inside the house, and we're gonna do a slow walkthrough, and you're gonna be amazed at what you see, what I see. Let's go on in the house. Let's check this out. Last I left off, they did the electrical. They was doing the doggone gutters, and they actually went all the way around the house, guys, with these gutters. Now I've been going. I had to go. Unfortunately, me and Miss Bella had to go to see Boo. This is the back of the house. Look at that. They're still working. They're getting there. We had to go to Cebu, so we missed a lot. So today we're going to show you what these guys have achieved.
Today, I gotta show you what we accomplished with our lovely home. While we are away from Cebu, Jeffrey, the master carpenter, start the door jam. Not only the door jam, guys, but the window people, guys, showed up and started installing the window frame.
That's right, guys. We got window frames. No windows yet, but we got window frames. So let's come on into this house. Let's redo it again, update you guys on where we are with this house. Because we're about 80%, $16,000 in. Let's show you guys the house. So I don't know, guys, like I keep saying, do you see the vision? This is where the window's gonna go. Our little windows. You got Miss Bella right there. We got the door jams. Let's go in this house and check it out. And I'll explain to y'all what's going on. So here we go. We got this the emergency door, right? So from my understanding, the doors are in position because I wasn't here yesterday. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna cement around the doors, right? They're gonna cement around the doors and make all this come together. And as you see, look at that. We got them. They're back. They're coming to work. Check that out, guys. So they're here. The cavalry is here. So this is what our windows are becoming. Look at that. And don't forget,
Sliding door is coming together.
there we go. Can y'all see the vision, guys? Look at that. This is where the sliding door is going to go. So let's bring it back around. These guys got here. So, all right, here we go. There we go. So they're already starting, guys. It's 7:30. They're getting ready on what they got to do. But check it out. So we got doors everywhere. It's coming together. And in every room, you see that blue. They got the windows there. Don't mind the mess. This is what they do. But let's bring you in here. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. They're working on the floating ceiling. Look at that. We're gonna bring it around. Master bedroom, master bedroom. Wait, we are in here. It's dark, but they started all the columns. Look at this. Look at this craftsmanship. They got this nicely squared. Look at that. Even up top. Now look at this one, that pillar, and I'm gonna bring you to this pillar over here. You see the difference? Look at that. So they're working on all of this, guys. So Ms. Bella, what's gonna happen in this room when the window guys come?
It's gonna be close. We're gonna install the windows.
That's right, guys. So we're gonna have the big windows from right here. That is coming, and they already got this together. So when they finish the regular windows, we're going right into the big windows. All right, so we got Jeffrey on the scene. Mr. Jeffrey, help us out. Explain to us, how are you going to do these doors? Because when my audience look, we don't see the vision on how these doors supposed to go in place, and you got these big holes here.
Di, Bisaya lang. Butang nga kuan. Ini ba ang saya mong buhaton na ni kuno.
Yeah.
Kaya akong kuan eh na utangan ako na siya porma sa likod. Dili akong lapay raw sa minasa.
Porma sa
Porma ra kanang dili ka mga plywood ba kaya masa di siya lapay di siya malampas sa gawas.
they will put some little frame,
Okay.
so that when they put the cement, it will not kind of wasted outside. So
Okay.
here, you're gonna put like what they call this one, plywood.
They put the plywood, just like they do the pillars.
They're gonna make this one
Extra
like
strong?
pure cement
Pure
to
cement.
make it strong.
Okay, and that's gonna fuse into the wood, the door.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So there y'all go, guys, because I didn't understand how he was gonna do this.
Then,
So
as you can see, you see the nails. This is the one gonna hold the door jamb from
in
the
place.
cement.
Where the nails are.
Yeah.
Y'all guys see those nails? Okay, and then they got the rebar. That's gonna make it extra strong. Yeah, Jeffrey's a little shy of the camera, but if I ask him off camera, he'll tell me with no problem. So he said he was only gonna talk if it's higher. So I hope that help you guys out before you hit me in the comments on how these doors are gonna be done, because each door, there are spaces in between. So I will get some footage later on when he's actually doing that feat and everything. So what's the plan of today? What you got going on? Is it doors? Is it ceilings? What are you working on?
Busa di kuan kini
The doors. Right. So the cement. You want cement? Okay. All right, guys. So there you have it. This was a short video. Again, another update. I hope y'all enjoying this. No further ado, we're gonna let the workers get back to work and get another video out for you guys, because I'm waiting for the window installation. What about you guys? What do you want to see next? Put it below in the comments. Nomad is out of here, guys.
Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
There y'all go, guys. We got a poisonous snake. I'm gonna find out the name for y'all that they found while we was building in the Philippines. Can y'all get a close-up of that? Check that out. And I'm holding it. I don't know how poisonous it is, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. Wow. So we got snakes in the Philippines. Here, hold that.
Oy.
Okay, cut.
Ang dila na.
Giingko ko na may gulok na may baksan na nasul sa ulo.
Dako.